The Mystery of the Singing Birds with Lily and Max. Hi there, friends. Thanks for joining Max and I as we have an adventure today in the forest. Max was telling me that the birds sounded a little funny. So our adventure for this morning is to figure out what's going on with the birds.
Yeah, it's a bit strange, right? Let's use our detective skills and listen carefully.
Listen, do you hear that soft chirping? Let's follow it together.
Great job, detectives. We're getting closer. Look at the beautiful colors on all these different birds. Nature sure is wonderful.
Oh my, this nest seems a little broken. Do you think the birds are sad about this? Let's think about how we can help.
We should be super careful. What could the birds use to fix this nest? Let's look around together.
Let's take our time and gently place these pieces together. What a great team effort, everyone!
Oh, hey, I've got an idea. Let's sing a song softly, just like the birds. Can you all join in singing to help the birds feel better?
In the forest, birds so bright, singing songs from morn till night.
Their nest is broken. We can see. Let's help them out. You and me.
You know, it feels good to help our little bird friends. We can always lend a hand when someone is in need.
Absolutely. Our small actions can make a big difference. Let's remember to be kind to all living things, because you never know who needs it the most.
Thanks for joining us today on our bird adventure. We'll be back for more fun and discoveries.
Take care, friends. Keep exploring and being awesome. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I had an awesome adventure. I'll see you next time, okay?
The Enchanted Forest Garden. Hi everyone, welcome to our Enchanted Forest Garden. Something seems different today, doesn't it, Max?
Yeah, the flowers look a bit droopy. Let's figure out why together.
Do you notice how the flowers aren't as bright today? Let's explore and see what's going on.
Great eyes, detective. Look at these flowers. What do you think they need?
Oh no, these flowers look sad. Why do you think they're drooping? Let's think about what they might need.
Let's investigate around here. What can we find that might help these plants?
Let's be really gentle and give these flowers a drink of water. Can you help me pour the water?
Look, they're perking up already. How about a little more love and care?
In our garden, plants so green need some care. You know what I mean.
Water, sun, and lots of love. Our garden blooms with a push and a shove.
You see, when we take care of plants, they thrive and bring beauty to our world. feels wonderful to help them grow.
Absolutely. It's like making new friends. Let's remember to take care of our green pals.
Thanks for joining us today in our enchanted garden. We'll be back for more adventures in nature.
Take care, friends. Keep exploring and being awesome. See you next time.
The mysterious picnic puzzles. Hey everyone! Today we're having a picnic in the forest, but something seems a bit puzzling.
Yeah, our picnic blanket is missing some things. Let's find out what's going on.
Do you notice anything missing from our picnic basket? Let's look around and see if we can find those things.
Good eyes, Detective. What do you think should be on our picnic blanket?
Oh, look! Our cups and sandwiches are scattered. Why do you think our picnic items are all over the place?
Let's investigate this area. Can you help gather the things that belong on our blanket?
Let's organize these things carefully. Where do you think they belong in our picnic basket?
Great teamwork. Now, everything's back in place. But wait, what's missing?
At our picnic, things to eat. Let's all work. It's no feat.
Cups and sandwiches on the ground. Together we'll turn this around.
When we work together, we can solve any puzzle. It's fun to help each other out, right?
Absolutely. Teamwork makes everything better. Let's remember to lend a hand whenever it's needed.
Thanks for joining our picnic puzzle adventure. We'll be back with more fun and teamwork.
Take care, friends. Keep exploring and being awesome. See you next time.